I'm here to guide you step by step through the process of winning your life quickly. Start your day with waking up late. You might be an idiot if you wake up early in the morning. You are in your bed and then your alarm rings. Now what you have to do is simply press the snooze button and continue your sleep. You have to do this for at least 3-4 times if you want to stay ahead of the competition. And when you wake up successfully while in bed, the first thing you have to do is to check your phone for at least half an hour to fill your calm mind with chaos. You must not skip this step. Then make sure you skip your breakfast. If not, then make sure your breakfast is filled with carbohydrates and fats. You can also eat junk food. It is good for your health. Close your body language. Slouch your shoulders. Keep your head down. Don't make eye contact. Don't give anybody the impression that you are someone they can talk to or someone they can trust. Now keep checking your phone. When you are walking, talking to someone, or having a conversation, keep interacting with your phone so that you don't have to interact with anyone. This will help you a lot, making you socially awkward. You have to shift your mindset towards, it was never my fault. Even when you have done something wrong, you have to keep making excuses, put blame on others, and never apologize. Adopt the mentality that everything that happens to you is not your fault. Start believing that you have no flaws. You are perfect. Other people are no better than you. Never ever reach your destination on time. Always be late. This will make you a high value man, and others will feel respect for you. Get the validation. Always seize the spotlight. To get validation, talk about yourself and your past happenings, even if others find them boring. But you should keep talking. Never let others have the chance to speak. This will help you to lose many friends. Be jealous and envy. When you see someone who is achieving things and doing better than you, instead of competing them and building healthy competition with them, you have to be jealous. And you don't have to stop here. Start backbiting with like-minded people. Because you don't have balls to compete, that's why you compare. That's what a real man should be. Use social media for hours. Watch Netflix for late nights. You always have to keep yourself busy with distractions. So you'll never be able to find time to find your purpose and what you want from your life. Forget your goals. Start wishing for things in your life. Stop thinking about achieving them by yourself. Make your own fantasy world where you are at the top. Refuse to work hard for things you want from your life and act like one day you will win the lottery. Believe you are unworthy. Live your life as it is already over. Accept your defeat before you ever begin. Dismiss every possibility of growth and development due to the insurmountable challenges. It is over.